Hi, and welcome to another chapter in this course. Today we're going to talk about the benefits with kettlebell training. Kettlebell training offers many positive health, social, and mental benefits. It is a practical way to exercise for anyone at any fitness level. Here are some of the main benefits of including kettlebell workouts into your fitness routine. It eliminates the boredom and same constant motion of cardio machines. It increases fat loss. So, how does this happen? There are a number of factors. First, just lifting weight helps to improve your metabolic rate, which is the rate at which your body burns calories. By lifting weights, you will increase your muscle mass, which will decrease fat stores, also contributing to an improved metabolic rate. Lastly, complex movements that involve the entire body stimulate the human growth hormone, which also help to burn fat. Combine all this together and you become an efficient fat-burning machine. Another benefit of kettlebell training is it improves flexibility without having to hold a long static stretch. It also improves functional strength, which is the strength needed for your daily activities such as just climbing stairs and carrying groceries. It also improves muscular stability, strength, and endurance. Your posture will improve. It strengthens your posterior chain muscles, which improve your posture. It also improves focus and coordination. You have to focus and think about the movement each time. Another benefit of kettlebell training is that it's perfect for the busy person with that overcrowded schedule. A short duration circuit will combine cardio and strength benefits in one workout. Minimal equipment is needed, so that's a great benefit. It also provides whole body movements. It is not isolation training like a leg extension. Whole body movements are great for improving body composition, strength, and developing a lean body. So women, don't worry, you will not bulk up. One of the best benefits of kettlebell training is that it's fun. Kettlebell training keeps fitness interesting, and the variety of movements and circuits you can pair together are endless. It's affordable. Gym memberships not needed here. One kettlebell and you're all set. It also assists in decreasing joint and muscular pain. As you build strength and improve mobility, muscle imbalances, tightness, and compensations will decrease, and that alleviates joint and muscular pain and stiffness. Another good thing about kettlebell training is there's a very small learning curve. Movements are rather easy to learn, and you can begin right away. There are many available resources to teach form and proper techniques. This course will start you off on the right foot to success in learning kettlebells. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next chapter.